People are earning thousands of dollars from AI-generate Reddit short stories. But as you probably know, the process often requires a lot of time and effort. From finding the perfect story to gathering background videos, recording audio, and creating subtitles, it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's now a simpler way to create Reddit shorts that cuts out all the hassle? With this new method, you no longer need to search Reddit for stories or spend hours piecing everything together. Forget about finding background videos, recording your voice, or painstakingly creating subtitles. This technique automates the entire process with just one click. Not only can you create videos more quickly and efficiently, but you can also control every aspect of the final product, from duration to design. It's fully customizable, allowing you to craft videos that perfectly match your vision, without sacrificing quality. In fact, this method helps you create high-quality content that meets your exact needs while saving you time. What's even better is that it's completely free to use. You can streamline the entire content creation process while producing captivating, professional-quality videos. You can even organize your content into different categories, so your videos cater to specific audience interests. If you're serious about boosting your productivity and reducing the time you spend on content creation, it's time to try this new method. It makes creating Reddit shorts faster, easier, and more fun than ever. One platform making this all possible is ShortsPilot.ai. It's free to use and allows you to create high-quality, professional videos with just a few clicks. But the real magic lies in its variety of features and options. You can choose from a wide range of topics, like random AI stories, scary stories, motivational videos, history facts, fun facts, and more. This variety makes it easy to create videos tailored to your audience's tastes. Creating a video on ShortsPilot is incredibly simple. You just select the Create Series option, choose your category, and within moments, your video is ready. The process is quick, straightforward, and the results are impressive. I've personally used ShortsPilot to create videos, and the process couldn't be smoother. Even if you're new to video production, you can easily navigate the platform and produce quality content that stands out. For example, when creating a Reddit story series, you can choose from categories like Minecraft parkour, GTA 5 Mega Ramp, Subway Surfers, and luxury themes. Once you pick your favorite, just hit the Create button and your high-quality video will be ready in no time.
For being upset about this? I, 16, like this guy for about 4 months now. I didn't tell anyone because I didn't want people to spread it, and I didn't want people to hang on to it if I ever stopped liking him. Yesterday, he told me that he had a crush on one of my close friends, and he was going to ask her out within the next week. I walked into school today and they were holding hands. I thought maybe I'd have time to mentally prepare myself, and seeing that was like a slap in the face. I always feel like the unlikable odd one out in my friend group. Am I the asshole for being upset about this, or do I need to get over it and move on?
Completely free of charge. ShortsPilot is truly one of the best tools out there for creating engaging viral content. It's fast, easy, and helps you produce videos that can easily compete with other creators' work. If you want to make Reddit stories quickly and efficiently, this platform is a must-try. Not only will you reach a larger audience, but you'll also captivate them with videos that are creative, professional, and exciting to watch.